Unraveling English. Mastering the phrasal verb, make of. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into an often confusing, but incredibly useful aspect of English grammar, phrasal verbs. More specifically, we will focus on one phrasal verb, make of. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand make of, but will also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. Before we delve into make of, let's recap what a phrasal verb is. A phrasal verb is a verb combined with one or two particles, either a preposition or an adverb. The meaning of a phrasal verb often differs from the meanings of its individual parts. Phrasal verbs like make of can seem tricky at first, but they're just another part of the rich, varied texture of the English language. Now, let's look at make of. It's a phrasal verb that's typically used to express how one understands, interprets, or regards something or someone. Consider the sentence, "What do you make of the new movie?" Here, make of is being used to ask for someone's opinion or interpretation of the new movie. It's crucial to practice using phrasal verbs in different contexts. Let's look at a few more examples with make of. 1. I don't know what to make of his behavior. This means you're confused or unsure about his behavior. 2. What do you make of this painting? This asks for your interpretation of the painting. 3. She didn't know what to make of the news. She was unsure how to interpret or respond to the news. These examples should help you start to get comfortable with using make of. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will become. One common mistake is using make of where it doesn't fit. Remember, make of is used to ask for or express an opinion, interpretation, or understanding. It is not used to make a direct request or command. For example, you wouldn't say, "Make of me a sandwich." Instead, you would say, "Make me a sandwich." So, ensure to use make of correctly. And that's it. We hope you now have a better understanding of the phrasal verb, make of. With practice, you'll find it much easier to understand and use this in everyday conversations. So go ahead, start using make of in your English interactions. You've got this. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to explore other phrasal verbs. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.